Hey guys, welcome to a YouTube video. We're outside, as you can see, and there's this really cool thing happening. I'm going to show my cat Dewey. He's about to attack a bird. Oh, there he goes. He's attacking a bird, and then see, look, the other birds are all mad. Oh, my sister's filming it, and then. The bird's still alive. See, as you can see, the bird is still alive. So weird.
It's wounded.
He's not even actually trying to kill it. See, you can hear all the birds come on, get him. And he's like, no. He just wounded him. This is something you want to record. This is something you want to record with him up close. There you go. Wait. Oh, whoa. This is something. You might want to back up. You just... see the birds? Can't see that one. Oh, you can't see the bird. I think I'm just gonna walk a little closer. Oh! He's getting hurt! Think he's dead? Think he's dead? Is he dead? There's only one thing to see, Dewey. Yep, nope. Not dead. You might want to go around. Okay. He has it in his mouth. The animal kingdom. Bum bum. You see that bird right there? See, just right there. There's my cat. It's right there. He's gonna eat the bird. Gonna get a little closer. He's still breathing. And you can see all the other birds, there's a bird right there. And sister's just trying to...
Yep, it's alive.
It's alive. Okay, you might want to step back, Audrey.
Get it, Dewey.
This is something you wanted to get on. This is something you want to get on tape.
Dewey, get it.
This is cat history.
Get it, Dewey.
Dewey!
Dewey, come on.
Come on, get the cat.
Get it.
It's just wounded. This is going to be a while before he actually kills it. Oh, whoa. You hear him? You hear him? He's going, beep, paka.
There's his mama. There's his mama.
Mama's somewhere. There she is. Up there. Can't see her. It's not dead yet. As you can hear,
It's wounded. It can't fly.
yeah, it can't fly.
Daddy, can I foster this bird?
What?
Can I foster this bird?
No, it's dead.
Oh, Mama's over there.
Why?
It will be dead.
Okay.
That's Dewey.
Yeah, don't do it. Just watch film it. Okay? Something you want to get on tape for YouTube, especially. Come on. It's dead? Not sure. Not yet.
It's alive. It's wounded.
Yep, still alive.
Still alive.
Did we get that one already?
Dewey's scared of it. This is something you want to see, guys. Bird, right there. See it? I'm pointing at it. Oh, somebody. Oh, the moms are up there. I don't know if you guys can see them. Tell me in the comments. Oh, look there.
That bird's alive. It's alive.
Okay. This is real close. That's a bird. Still alive. Whoa.
Dewey, the bird.
Yeah, you gotta get the bird, cat. Oh, there we go. Oh. See the bird? It's over there. Come. Oh, there we go. Think the bird has dead. The bird is not dead. See you.
There's the mama.
There's Mama. See,
Here, you can get the bird. See?
hey, don't step in my camera way. Don't step in the camera
It's
way.
alive, see? See it? It's alive.
See, it's alive.
Do
Up
it.
there.
Look. Still alive. Still alive.
Oh boy, eat. Oh, this is not going to be standing up close. Good thing there's a ladder here. Can I touch it? Wait, I can't see. Oh, I'm looking at the iPad. I'm not like actually looking at real life. Okay. There, now I'm looking. Hi. Whoa. It's gonna die. Couldn't look at this. This is slow death for a bird. Slow. Video is pretty long already. Just your mom.
Really, I haven't even doing it. I
Uh,
took a picture. It was only a picture. But I only took a picture of it.
Yay. Okay, the YouTube video is awesome. It's just, the bird's just sitting there. See, look. Ka. Ka. I'm just kicked it. Come on. Put it out there. Wait, what if we stab it? Should we stab it?
Do we get it?
Should we stab it? Or what? Would it bite us or what? What if we stab it? Like, seriously. Hang on.
Here.
We need a stick or something. Oh, just drop it. Just drop it on it. Dewey! Oh. It's going. See, we're putting a stick. Oh, see, mouth is open.
Audrey, don't touch that bird.
I'm not touching it.
He's eating a stick. We're feeding it a stick. Okay.
Dude, look.
Okay.
Get it.
Hey,
Get it.
Do you think it'd be too much if we put concrete on the bottom?
Just
On top? Concrete on
it's
top?
not really even trying to attack it.
Not if you
Wish I could put my brakes.
take it easy. Check the air pressure. Yeah. I'll have to probably pull it out.
Ooh, someone wants to see
No,
in here.
that's got air. I gotta
Okay.
check the pressure.
Mama's up there. Hello, Mama. Okay.
2 or 3 times you may take it to the
Might be another bird bath down back there.
And those are
Bird's just frozen. Just like
East Tulsa.
not doing anything. Ooh, there's Roy Pulley. Should we feed the bird a worm? I don't know.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have to.
Okay. Birdie, birdie.
What are you doing?
Pretty cool. Starting. These videos are like 8 minutes long. Gotta get the cat to kill this bird.
But as lightweight as this trailer is, I'm like, I don't need a trailer behind me. Right. I just wonder if it will hold weight while it comes.
Should I like drop a stick on it? Dewey,
You might do about half.
get the bird. Dewey, get the bird. Eat it. Eat the bird. Okay. This is weird. The cat's right here. Mama's
Oh, I got some
somewhere.
real good photos.
Not to make you rush. That panel's in the way of even setting that.
Well, we're up close. Ooh. So close. Should we drop a stick on it? I'm scared. Okay, let's get a stick. Let's just get something to drop it. Put a leaf on it. Okay? I'm just scared. If Dewey can do it, I can do it. Oh, oh there we go. Another moment to see. I don't see if this bird's dead yet. Should we just put this on it? I wouldn't hurt it. The bird. Ooh, I hit it. He's dead. Bird's dead. The bird is dead. Yeah, he's dead. Bird's dead. It's gone. It's gone. Next, we'll see if he's actually dying. Okay? It's gonna... something you want to record. I think he's dead. I think he's dead, guys. Dead. Dead bird. Still barking. Oh, there's spiders. There's spiders out there.
Bird's still over there?
Yep, I'm seeing if it's still alive. I'm trying to see if it's still alive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and bye-bye.